My name is CAT S52 and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So both of those keys at the same time. And there we go. So we're now in boot mode. Now in this mode you will use only volume up to navigate, and you have only three different options. So you have recovery mode, fast boot mode, and normal boot, which will go back to Android. Now whatever you select, as you can see I'm right now selecting normal mode. Whatever is selected, then to confirm it you need to press volume down. As you can see now I'm gonna leave this mode. And you can see that we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.